Howdy, I'm Nick and this is London Creative. Since the start of this channel, I've always done diverse things. It's never just been painting a picture or going for walks or making clothes or cushions. It's been about all of those things and more. It's been about this. And so this is causing a problem for the YouTube algorithm because it's not one thing. It doesn't fit into one little box and stay there. So if there's something that you like, then you should really click subscribe down there and come back each week for something different under the guise of in London and or being creative. That said, there's not too many things that are the in London and being creative. Usually it's out and about looking at art installations in Canary Wharf or seeing the Northern Lights in Greenwich, that sort of video. Today, however, well, out and about doing the Capital Ring walks recently, I've found some bits and pieces, random objects and stuff and shuttlecock. Today, my intention is to use all of this stuff, turn all of this crap into an art piece. So using what I found in London, making something creative. Some of these objects are silver foil that's been bunched up and used and whatever, rather than throw it away, it'll become sort of base. So they're not anything particular, just bits of silver foil. There are old headphones and so some things are not necessarily found in the street or something, they're just leftovers. I think this was you put dog poo bags in there. That was found. That was found. That was found, I don't know what that is. Connector block. Google eyes. This looks interesting. An old car. I kind of have an idea to use that as the head or the mouth. You get the point. There's enough stuff here. I do, however, have some Sculpey. So, that's sorting out what we've got. I want to use this just because I do think that'd be cool. Make a head. That. Do you think if I cut that in half, that could be the head? I want him involved. This I should use. I'm thinking... I used to have one of these, mini. If you're in America and you've never seen a car, that was pretty much life size. I'm 6'2" on a good day. I used to have one of these. The interior of that was 6 foot. So you could lay from footwell to the back. I could get things out of the boot, what boot there was, without moving out of the driver's seat. And I used to say the only difference between this mini and a go-kart is a go-kart has suspension. That's my drawing, that's my concept. I'm gonna have these for legs, and then it's going to be covered in Sculpey, and let's see how we get on. She's going to be wearing that. It's so cool. It's such a perfect thing. What's going to happen to it? I don't know.
later.
Okay, so we got to here. And I don't like it. I think it's stupid and it's horrible. And then I realised what it looks like. It looks like Jake the dog from Adventure Time. So, yeah. I like the legs. The arms could be fine. The head, not so sure. I want to do the Giacometti thing. I want long spindly legs, but I want a small body. I'm still unsure about this. I'm just going to end up making a Giacometti Nurgle. If Alberto Giacometti made Warhammer. I think this is a lost cause. What do you think? I mean, 7 days of making stuff, building stuff, putting it back together, and I've ended up with a block of Sculpey. The same block of Sculpey I started with. Yeah, it's it didn't work. I think the biggest problem was that I was trying to make something and then cover it in Sculpey, and then I was obscuring what it was being made of. The first attempts clearly looked like Jake the dog from Adventure Time, and then I took it all apart and tried again and made Frank the rabbit from Donnie Darko. Didn't work. I've got an idea. I've already started. Basically, sitting over there now. I've fiddled. Attempt 3 has turned into something to be something other than just a Nurgle. It's going to be something more. But that's for another video, because clearly this is just like put a line under it. As Picasso said, the greatest thing in art is knowing when to stop. And to that end, knowing when to admit defeat and say, enough is enough, it didn't work. So, with that in mind, this was a failure. Thank you for watching my attempts at making stuff and failing miserably. If this was fun and entertaining, then maybe give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below, give me suggestions for more things to make and more things to fail at. And if you like these random videos of me doing things and breaking things, then clearly you need to hit subscribe down there and come back each week for more in London and or being creative, which also includes, you know, a bit of climbing every now and then, walking, cycling, making things, breaking things, burning things, painting things, all manner of stuff. So yes, now I'm going to get on to those things. I hope to see you soon. Bye. Someone was very naughty yesterday, so that's why they're trying to be as friendly as possible today. So sitting on my foot. Just got told off so very, very much that she's now not trying to do anything she can to be my friend. I almost threw that on the laptop there.